Today is April 11, 2023. And since morning, these people started to give me shooting needle pains in my uterus area, like right side. Okay, anything on the right side means so they started to give me in my right side of the uterus area. Very sharp. Some were subtle, some were sharp, very shooting, painful needle pains. And then I always do counter psychic attack, right? So and I always focus on the points that they usually give me. So um, they did give me needle pains mainly there, so I had to do counter attack there. They did little bit on the navel area, and then they gave me electric shocks on the right side of my brain. Okay, everything is on the right side. And they do it at a particular time, especially when it comes to cooking. Okay, so and right now, as I started to speak, they just started to give me a little bit of subtle pain in that area. And also they twitched me on the right side of my arm right now. They just twitched. So yeah, actually they had started to give me these shooting needle pains since yesterday night because I started to speak with one of my friend, and so because the person is male and they always want to make issue about it, right? So I showed you how they gave me blue purple mark on the right side of my thigh because I was speaking to him. Okay, even if I speak to a stranger, but if it's a male stranger in a store or restaurant, somewhere, anywhere, okay. Oh yeah, that's when they had given me blue black purple mark on my thigh. I already posted that video. And yesterday when I started speak, so they started to give me electric shock on the right side of my brain and shooting needle pain on the in the uterus area. And I was actually speaking with my brother. He was trying to get in touch with my friend, and they were exchanging some messages basically. So anyways, I was just the intermediary there. But yeah, they, like I said, these people wanted to make issue, so they started to make issue. And even today, like he texted me, and so I just texted him back, and so here is the raving of the engine started. So no, you don't talk to him, okay? That BS. Now you know how they used to make a lot of issue about oil and ghee and butter and all that stuff back in 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21. For so many years, whenever I use all that, now they are giving me twitch on the left side of my knee as I'm speaking. So they are confirming, because anything on the left side means correct. We did all that. They are confirming it right now. They used to do artificial earthquakes only when I go to cook, or the item is already cooked and we are about to eat, or we have eaten, whatever. Then they used to have flying, the helicopters and all that pass by when I cook all that. Or they used to have raving of the engine, or they used to have like cockroaches pass by, or they used to have electric shock, or kind of heart palpitations, all artificially induced, either via their directed energy weapons or witchcraft, whatever they are using. So they would start to like give me some kind of palpitations in my muscles. So even the upper rib, area, it could be in the center, it could be on the right side, it could be on the left side, but they always want to tell me that, oh, look, you're using too much oil, and they want to make all that issue. Today, however, when I was making something that required olive oil, right? Surprisingly, they didn't do anything because probably I don't pay attention to any of that anymore. I don't give a damn about any of that, because along with all that comes a lot of other veggies and lemon juice that I use, that cut down on fats, and basically it's a good fat that I use, right? So it's all their BS. Like I said, they've made issues about gingers and lemon and carrots and cilantro and radish, and you name it. They have tomatoes and all kind of stuff. They made issues. So basically, we shouldn't eat anything. We should live on air, okay? Now, day before yesterday, when I was cooking stuff, food only for myself, because I cook everything my cooking is separate from my family members. So and thanks to these people, because they've like conditioned me for all these hygiene stuff, so I've become so much observant that now I just naturally start to notice who's touching who and who has washed hands, who's not washed hands, all that BS. Okay. Um, so anyways, now I myself has become so aware that I can't handle anybody just starting to touch anything anywhere just like that. So, the day when I cooked noodles, how they gave me shooting electric shock on the right side of my brain. After I was done eating noodles. So now they gave me a twitch on the right side of the knee saying, oh, no, you shouldn't eat noodles, right? But then the very next day when I cooked, I had made myself a nice vegetable fried rice and some vegetable soup, and it was so healthy, and I had some bread and butter with it. Um, so that's all I had, and these people wanted to make so much issue. I think right there they started to give me no, they gave me the swelling of my tongue, right side of the tongue. I told you for since last November they have started to do all this BS. Okay, I don't have any food allergies. So they did a swelling of my right side of my tongue. So it's kind of ulcer. It never fully develops into ulcer, but you know how when you have the first and second stage of just development of ulcer, it's like that. It's a so it's very that small, like pea, the pea size of area of my right tongue, front side is swollen. It always swells up. And I told you how when I went on vacation, these people wanted to make so much issue about all these little things. They always want to make issue, or why you are taking this food, or why you didn't order this for my niece, or just want to make issue about all these, same humiliation. The alien agenda purpose is nothing but humiliation for every little things, right? Or you don't do that, you don't. And of course control is their other purpose, Illuminati's purpose basically. So they put stones in my food in when I was on vacation. We were dining at a restaurant. They put stones in there. Then when I went there, I already had small ulcer, which they not ulcer, but the same swelling of the tongue on the right side, which they gave in artificially induced. And then when I was there, they again wanted to do even extreme. So it was again they artificially induced the second ulcer, or the second swelling of the tongue. It was a little bit farther apart. And all these stones in my food and swelling of the tongue, all these BS started this last November 2022. Unless and until for so many years that I've cooked, or we have dined out, or we have eaten all kind of stuff, I never had these kind of swelling. And remember, everything is on the right side. Electric shocks on the right side of my brain, all the shooting needle pains mostly on the right side of my either abdomen, waist, uterus area, and twitches on my arms, on my back, and my legs, everywhere. It's always on the right side. Oh, you don't do this, you don't do that, you don't do this, the same BS thing. Okay. Then and I don't know, since past 3-4 days they have been giving me sexually. Oh, they already knew what I was about to say, so they already gave me a twitch on the left side of my knee. So what I was about to say is, since last 3-4 days they've been doing sexually inducing all these things to me, like what do you call sexual seduction. I don't know how they do witchcraft, or some Neuralink, whatever is in my head, some kind of implant. I'm not sure if there is any physical implant in my head and they're stimulating some points for that. I'm not sure, but to me it's just pure witchcraft. So they've been sexually seducing me basically for 3-4 days, and yeah, so that is the one thing that I have to go through all that BS. Now they are giving me a twitch on the right side of one twitch on the right side of my knee. They are like, oh, no, don't say that, don't say that. So whatever, either it's witchcraft or it's physical implant in my brain, that's the only reason, right? Or directed energy weapons. I mean, I mean, how the heck can you seduce somebody, right? You're not zapping my vagina, you're literally seducing me. How the heck is that possible? So yeah, so that is the BS. And so entire day, mostly they gave me all these shooting needle pains in my abdomen. So that was that, and mainly electric shock on the right side of my brain. These were and of course, oh, and when I had eaten those noodles where they gave me shooting electric shock, uh, when I went to wash that particular utensil in which I had cooked noodles of all, because that and there were so many other utensils in which I had cooked food for my family. So their food is different, I already told you. So for all those vessels they did nothing, but only when I went to take that noodle. Okay, so and they have already made so many issues, like giving me shooting needle pains and electric shocks and raving engine, like I told you, cockroach, all kind of stuff with that noodle thing also. Okay, so it's not like this is just something new. They no, no, they've already conditioned me for many times, and I have to eat this thanks to these people, because now they have conditioned me with all these hygiene stuff. And so I have very limited stuff for myself to eat, and whenever I go to eat nutritious food, they immediately give me swelling of my tongue. um, so whatever, so for them that's not swelling, yeah, that for them that is not nutritious. Yeah, okay. For you nothing is nutritious. Lemon is not nutritious, carrots are not nutritious, cilantro is not nutritious, ginger is not nutritious, spinach is not nutritious, broccoli is not nutritious. For you nothing is nutritious, right? You go eat your insects and centipedes, because that's what Angelina Jolie and all these Hollywood, Bollywood people, they promote to eat insects, right? Because for them, only that is nutritious. And probably their human sacrifices and whoever human and child flashes they keep eating, for them, only that's nutritious, right? Um, so what else did they do? Yeah, so they gave me electric shock when I went to wash that utensil, but they were not done at that particular night when I went to sleep. First, they gave me, for past 10, 15 years, they've been giving me all these implanted, artificially induced virtual reality dream. Okay, so it looks so real. It's like a virtual VR being played in the dream. It's like a movie being played in my brain when I'm sleeping. So I'm not really asleep when I wake up. I'm so tired. I can't, it takes me so much time to come to this world. I'm like, oh, what? I'm in this world, because it's literally like a movie being played. It is so, I'm so that it's so real. Unlike the natural dream where you're not that much drained out, or you don't feel like, oh, what world I am in, and it doesn't feel like a movie when it's a natural dream. It's different. So anyway, so the virtual reality dream they gave me was, I am literally getting choked up and I'm trying to like cough, and I was not even able to cough. I could see myself trying to cough and I cannot not cough. I'm trying to breathe and I can't breathe. And guess what? Then they have an ability to wake me up also. Everything is mentioned on ex-FBI agent Gerald Sosby's website. He talks about the target was done this and target was done that, and target, so he calls himself a target, but actually he's talking about me because he's my stalker, right? So when he has already mentioned that he can wake the target up, he can make the target sleep. Okay, so he's talking about me when he talks about all that. So yeah, then immediately right after that scene that I saw myself trying to gasp for air and couldn't breathe, and trying to cough and I couldn't cough, and that choking feeling and that suffocating feeling and that gasping of air, all that was so much real feeling. And then he wakes me up, and so the moment I wake up, guess what? I'm literally coughing. I was coughing. I had problem a little bit breathing, but it was very dry and all that. So they have these ability, because I've eaten these noodles before their targeting started. I've eaten this before, and I never had any of these issues. So we know that it is artificially induced. So they know that what they are about to do. So like I said, the mosquito bites that they gave me when I was at a vacation on my right right foot, but it's, imagine the sole, okay, of your feet. So say the sole of my feet is from here to here. Okay, these are my fingers here, and this is the heel area, right? So right here, on the side of my, say this is my foot, right? So on the side here, exactly in the middle, okay, exactly in the center, but on the side, I was given a mosquito bite, and exactly at the same point, my hubby was given mosquito bite on the same night. And um, so it's very weird that that we both had the same position. But why? Because anything, when I have a thought in my subconscious mind, or not subconscious, even I'm thinking, say not subconscious mind, but I have a thought in my mind, okay, they will hone in on that thought, and then the devil will immediately attack, okay, or devil, or whoever these Illuminati watchers are, who keep watching, who works in shifts and watches me either on some computer screen, if they have my brain hooked up to some computer, as I was already told that my brain is already hooked up with a computer. So if that is the case, then there got to be some physical implants in my brain. And so either it's that, or they just give me a twitch on the right side of the brain. They're like, no, 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 your brain is not hooked up to any computer. Anyways, probably a different watcher right now who's watching me. But and as Billy Cron pastor said, that if there's a witchcraft, then these people have ability to remote view anybody on mirror. Okay, so it could be that they were watching me on some kind of big mirror or some kind of big screen, because that is how these spirits work, through mirror. Okay, so whatever it is, they are surely remote viewing me, and that is how they are able to give me all these immediate attacks, either physical, mental, whatever, street theater, whatever it is, because they can read my thoughts, and they can see what I see, and they hear what I say. And that is how they are giving me all these twitches in real time as I'm speaking, as I'm recording in this video. So they are giving me messages in real time, with the one twitch on the left knee, or one twitch on the right knee, or one twitch on my right arm. Because entire day I don't have any twitches. Usually not. It's only when I go to record, or like say I'm playing something, I'm playing a game, that's when they usually do twitches. But it's big electric shocks and shooting needle pains, all these, that usually starts like during, like I'm cooking something, okay? And the swelling of the tongue, it never happens when I'm cooking or when I'm feeding somebody else. It's only when I eat and they want to make issue about that particular food, that is when they give me the swelling of the, okay? So yeah, when I was on vacation, they gave me twice swelling on the right side, and I was not even able to speak. I was not able to eat properly. So they tried to basically harm my vacation, with all these physical pain, and taking away my speaking abilities, and eating, and eating and chewing abilities and all that. Because it's painful, right, when you have like two ulcers like on the same side. But and then it's artificially induced by these people, because first of all, they work for Lucifer, and secondly, their alien agenda is to take away my source energy and to give it to these aliens, reptilians, greys, whoever, who are not aliens, who are all fallen angels. And they need to manifest in our world, and they cannot manifest for more than few, probably seconds or minutes, I don't know, but it's for very short time they can manifest in our 3D world. But for that manifestation, they continuously require energy. And that is what they show in the movie Matrix as well, that all these machines are hooked up with the human beings, because they harvest the energy from us. Anyways, I don't want to go through all that alien agenda and fallen angels agenda or witchcraft agenda or Lucifer agenda and Star Kids agenda and all that. But we know that Delta Force at Area 51 and so many CIA, FBI, all these NSA people, they are continuously monitoring Star Kids because we are the threat to their UFO cabal, or when their UFO cover up falls out. And it seems like if what I heard from the FBI agent, not Gerald Sosby, it was the other ex FBI agent, what is his name? John D'Souza or something like that. Or I don't know, I don't remember his first name, but I believe he's D'Souza. Okay. So he said that probably they're planning for a fake alien invasion, but before they do that, they're going to start shooting down the commercial airplanes and military planes or choppers or whatever, to keep building up the threat. But then ultimately they're going to have this fake alien invasion. And he was probably saying in 2023, but Sergey Monast, whoever this guy is from Canada, that guy said that they're going to have fake alien invasion in 2024. So whenever, I don't know, whenever they plan to have, there'll be like EMP attack and blackouts. And even the Davos guy, what's his name, Klaus Schwab, he has already said about all these blackouts and EMP attacks and big cyber attacks and all that, right? But he's not gonna come up and say, oh, we're gonna have this fake alien invasion and all that. But say if they're planning to bring the Antichrist probably on stage in 2033, as they have said in one of their songs, I'm sure that they will have to plan something for their new one world order. And for that, they need to do this final act of faking alien invasion. Well, we'll see what unfolds, but for now, when these watchers, when they do all this swelling or electric shocks or twitching or shooting needle pains in my wherever abdomen or wherever, right? They literally tell me how low IQ they are, because now I know their agenda. Now I know what BS they keep doing all the time. And so yeah, their goal is to control me, right? Because that's what Kanye West was saying. Oh, well, they can control Madonna and they can control Miley Cyrus and they can control Katy Perry and why I don't know whoever, but they can't control me. And they just gave me twitch on the right side of my thigh as I was talking about Kanye West. So either they don't want me to talk about Kanye West. Like I said, today's watcher is somebody totally different because I was given different messages before in my videos where I have already talked about Kanye West, right? Back then I was given different messages, different signaling. Right now, like I said, there's a different watcher right now. But they can't control me, right? So in many of the stuff that they keep doing, oh, you don't talk to this person, oh, you don't do this, oh, you don't bring this, oh, you don't do a lot of it is not working anymore because now I know their agenda. Now I know the purpose why they do all this. It's just that I have to see how long they're gonna do. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot to show this. They gave me a cut yesterday when I was actually speaking to, like I told you, my friend, right? And then let's see if I can focus this better. So they basically wanted to tell me F you, and oh my gosh, where is it? It's right here. It's right there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let me zoom in. Wow, what is up with my camera? Now we have the raving of the engine going on at the same time. So basically, they want to tell me F you, right? Because I actually, what had happened was that day in the morning, I said, "Oh, I don't need this FBI agent or this Gerald Sosby, right?" Um, Something of that. I said along this line like that, right? Because I was given this so much of sexual seduction, and then in the morning, like I said, I keep talking to these people, right? And because I have to give them messages, so something in that line I said, and they immediately gave me this I can feel it, but the I don't know, the camera is not as sharp, and so I'm not able to show it. Oh, let's see if I can. It's like right there. Oh, yeah, you see, like right there, but I don't know what is up with my camera. Is that better? Oh yeah, probably you can see that line right there. That's the line. It's such a thin line they gave me, but it was like a cut. It's like right there. Okay, that's the cut I'm talking about. You see that little line right there? That's the cut I'm talking about. It was a very shallow cut. But yeah, that is what they did. I mean, this kind of BS they do. Oh, you're gonna say you don't need me here. I'm gonna tell F you to you. You know, like that kind of BS. Or oh, you're gonna talk to this person. Oh, we're gonna have a raving of the engine, or we're gonna have electric shock on your head, and we're gonna have this shooting needle piece in your uterus. I was so BS that I have to go through all this. I mean, the moment. Literally, these people are displaying their lowest of the low IQ. The CIA, FBI, NSA, DARPA, military, all these people. Um, but yeah, that's all I wanted to record for April 11th torture.